Mr. Anshuman Aggarwal, hearty congratulations on securing All India rank 1 in XC paper in GATE 2023.
Thank you, sir.
Anshuman, can you briefly introduce yourself?
Well, I am Anshuman. I am basically from Punjab, Mohali, and I am currently pursuing my engineering from Punjab University, Chandigarh. And I got All India rank 2091 in mechanical engineering in GATE 2022 and 222 in XC in GATE 2022. This year I got 56th rank in mechanical engineering and AIR1 in engineering sciences.
Right. Excellent, Mr. Anshuman. So presently you are in the final year.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, good. Very interesting. Mr. Anshuman, you please tell us what type of coaching program that you have availed from our ACE Academy?
I joined online test series.
Online test series. Okay. And how this ACE Academy online test series helped you in the preparation of the GATE exam and securing such a All India first rank?
Well, ACE Academy, the test series, the platform on which test series were conducted, that was quite similar to GATE exam. And questions were nicely framed, very relevant for GATE.
So totally how many tests you might have taken?
Like 16, 17.
Okay, good. Mr. Anshuman, you are successful in the mechanical paper as well as in the XC. What are your scores in the mechanical for a 56th rank?
850.
850.
Yes.
So in the XC first rank, what is the GATE score?
952.
952. Okay. Anshuman, I think you are the right person to tell this point. Did you make any extra preparation for this XC paper in the GATE examination?
Well,
compared to mechanically engineering.
Yeah. As far as fluid mechanics is concerned, I gave my XC paper for fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. As far as fluid mechanics was concerned, there were few topics like Rankine half body, Rankine full body, and thin film flow that I had to study extra. The rest, everything for ME, the fluid mechanics syllabus for ME was sufficient. And as far as thermodynamics was concerned, there was no extra topic that I had to prepare for XC exam. But in mathematics, there were like few topics in numerical methods that I had to prepare extra.
Okay. So can you approximately quantify compared to mechanical, what extra amount of preparation is required if you want to target this XC paper?
Like I will say, it is like if we include mathematics as well as fluid mechanics, it will be like 10% extra, very, very less, even less than 10%.
Very good. So approximately 10% extra you have to study with regard to the fluid mechanics and with regard to fluid mechanics and mathematics.
Yeah. Yes.
As for thermodynamics concern, is not necessary anything else.
No.
Right.
But it is required that we have some good grip on few topics in thermodynamics.
Okay. Right. And one more, Mr. Anshuman. Comparing the mechanical question paper, how do you rate this XC paper?
I feel it was a little bit, you can say, calculative as compared to mechanical paper. But this year XC was not that hard as compared to the last year. But the mathematics is every year the mathematics asked in XC is hard. It is almost 1.5 times the mechanical paper. And aptitude, no difference. It was of like same level.
So can we say like this, compared to mechanical engineering, in the case of XC, the mathematics is somewhat tougher?
Yes.
Okay. What about this rest of the questions from the fluid mechanics and the thermodynamics? Can you say easy in the XC paper? Can you say easy in the XC paper?
As compared to mechanical, no. A little bit calculative. Little bit more calculative.
Little bit more?
Calculative in nature. Like
more means problems, numerical problems, right?
Yes.
Of course, GATE exam is problem oriented only. I just want to know what you call the standard, the level of the questions relatively, which is easier.
Actually, ME1 is a little bit easier as compared to XC, the fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, and solid mechanics part.
Is it this year or otherwise last year? Both methods?
Generally every year.
Okay, good.
But last year fluid mechanics and fluid mechanics especially was a little bit hard
Okay, right.
in mechanical paper.
Okay. Anshuman, you are presently pursuing the final year BTech. When did you start this serious preparation for this GATE examination?
Well, I started it in my full-fledgedly I started it in fourth semester, but I started to grasp the idea of GATE exam in my third semester only.
From
Third semester only.
third
Like
semester
starting
on.
to gather idea about GATE exam.
Okay, so we can say that you started the preparation from the second year onwards.
Yeah.
Okay, right. Now, how could you schedule your GATE preparation and then the preparation for your university's subjects syllabus?
Yeah, actually, the at that time, COVID was there, so my all classes of university were online. So like 9 to 10 a.m. the classes would have started, and like 4 till 4 the classes were there, and I used to attend them. And after like 4, a little bit break, and then few problems of gate, and like at 6 in the evening till 11, my gate classes were there, and after that I would take rest, and on Saturdays I would revise or do some college work, and on Sundays I will take tests, weekly tests.
Okay. So every Sunday you used to take one weekly test.
Yeah. The all the things I studied in that.
Okay. And one more point, Mr. Anshuman. Last year you got some gate rank, reasonably good gate ranks, and this time it is extraordinary. What changes you made compared to last year in the present year in the preparation mode?
Actually, I did a lot of practice because last year my syllabus was complete for like exam. It was complete, but I had to do a lot of more practice, and I was not habitual to the virtual calculator. That I started only like 2 months before GATE 2022. But after GATE 2022, I made it like a ritual that if I solve any GATE question, I will solve it on virtual calculator, not on the calculator with buttons,
Yes, yes.
and that
Because
too on my computer.
yeah, one needs to have some thorough practice on the virtual calculator in the GATE examination. Okay. Anshuman, in the GATE exams, almost 80% of the questions are numerical problems. So one requires that numerical problem solving, what you call ability. So to develop this numerical problem solving ability, what you used to do regarding the question wise?
Like first of all, for numerical solving, we should have some good concept, and for good and for numeric as far as numerical solving was concerned, I I never got like everything uh, uh, in spoon feeding system. Like I had few questions that were not like the concept was taught in class, but how to apply that concept was not very extensively told, and we used to do that by our own, and it was done by deliberately so that we can become habitual to the uh, like the out of the box problems. It was done habitually.
Okay,
Habitually, sorry, it was done deliberately.
delivery. Okay, right. And one more thing here, what you used to do regarding the revision work in this preparation?
I used to solve all the problems done in class in DPPs, and if possible quizzes too when I used to revise.
Mhm. At what frequency you used to revise these subjects? No, unless you revise regularly, difficult to remember them.
Yeah, like I used to remember after after GATE 2022, I used to revise them after 2 to 3 months of gap. Like by
Each
that
subject.
I each subject, like by that I revised all of them like 4 to 5 times.
Okay. Did you prepare any short notes for your preparation?
For very specific subjects I prepared, like for fluid mechanics, strength of materials, in which a lot of concepts are there,
Mhm.
but I never prepared short notes like for thermodynamics because
Okay.
not much of the concepts are there. There are, but not as many as in fluid mechanics.
And one more thing, did you refer to any textbooks for this preparation?
Well, at some point I referred like some, if I'm not getting some concept, I used to read that from textbook, but not like I followed any textbook like that. I didn't had that time to
Okay.
do that.
Mainly your prepared notes only for this.
Yeah. I prepared notes.
Okay. And one more, Mr. Anshuman. what was your strategy on the day of gate examination, in the gate examination hall in the 3 hours of time? Did you go with any specific strategy like solving first 2 marks question, then 1 mark question, otherwise first solving what you call aptitude, then technical? Any such strategy that you followed?
Yeah, actually in XD paper, I followed a very specific strategy that for 20 minutes, I will solve general aptitude questions. For 40 minutes, engineering mathematics questions. Like they are in different sets, right? So that worked. And 1 hour each for fluid mechanics and thermodynamics. And I made sure that in first round of solving those questions, I will solve easy one, the questions that are easy in nature. And in second round, the tough ones.
Okay. Anshuman, you are a successful student in the gate examination. That too, while you are studying BTech, then itself you cracked this exam with All India first rank. So from this successful journey, can you please share some tips or suggestions to the other aspirants of the gate examination, particularly from your mechanical and XC papers experience?
Like I will suggest the aspirants not to go for tricks. There are many people who teach tricks. Like 1 or 2 tricks work in one subject, but we should focus more on concepts, more on derivation. Because now GATE is asking questions from derivations. GATE is asking about assumptions that we take during deriving a particular equation. From yeah, like last year in boundary layer theory, they asked like the assumptions that we take, the parameters which are constant, like that. So we should focus on that, and we should keep giving tests regularly, because by giving tests we can evaluate our performance, and by that we can also work on our mistakes, like silly mistakes. We can work on them.
Right. So anything else?
Like I will say, if we follow this much, that if we can follow this much, that would, and obviously having a good set of problems and good content to study.
Yes, yes. Right. And finally, Mr. Anshuman, what are you going to do with this gate rank?
Well, I am a bit confused right now what to do.
Okay.
I was not expecting that much.
Right. Anyway, you are still in the final year, right? You
Yeah.
may get even campus placements also. Anyway, you
Yeah,
have
I got.
opportunities, right? You
Yeah, I
can think of
got like campus
PSUs, you can
placement.
think of what you call MTech in wherever you want, and you will get right. Anyway, Anshuman, I'm very happy to interact with you, and I once again congratulate you and wish you all good luck in all your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot, sir.
Convey our best wishes to your parents and friends also. God bless
Yeah,
you.
sure, sir.
God bless you, Mr.
Thank you.
Anshuman Aggarwal.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.